Guide to Restoring BMW FEM/BDC Coding Using Yanhua Mini ACDP. If you've lost coding on your BMW FEM/BDC module during pre-processing with the Yanhua Mini ACDP, you can easily recover it using the following steps. 1. Ensure that recovery is necessary due to pre-processing abnormalities or interruptions like a disconnected Wi-Fi connection during the FEM/BDC pre-processing process. 2. To initiate the recovery process, reconnect the Yanhua Mini ACDP. Navigate to BMW-FEM/IMMO/mileage-BMW FEM/BDC F series. Identify the FEM/BDC module again. Select OBD Detect FEM/BDC and connect the ACDP to the FEM/BDC module. Compare the original FEM information. You'll notice that current module SWFL CAFD coding data are lost. 3. To rewrite the lost data for repair, press OK to proceed. If ACDP indicates a failure to backup coding data, press OK to continue. Press OK again if it states that it does not support this FEM/BDC version. 4. Return to the main menu and proceed with the following steps. Choose the desired operation, e.g., add key. Select Mode 1 Add key. Opt for FEM/BDC Initial Programming Process. Choose Method 2, Manual Single-Step Operation. Select Step 6, Recover EEPROM. 5. Further, follow these steps. Choose the ICP method. Select the appropriate chip type, 95128, FEM, or 95256 BDC. Click on Recover and select the original data starting with M. 6. After successfully recovering the EEPROM data, proceed with Step 7, Recover Coding Data. Select the original coding data and recover it successfully. 7. Return to the main menu and select OBD Detect FEM/BDC to verify the correctness of the version information and coding. 8. Once the FEM/BDC data recovery is successful, save the data. 9. Now, re-preprocess the FEM/BDC module, then add a key or perform all keys lost. For visual guidance, refer to the provided video reference. Additionally, you can explore related posts on how to reset BMW FEM/BDC mileage, add BMW FEM key, and replace BMW FEM/BDC module using the Yanhua Mini ACDP.